Hi guys, welcome to aclaireytale and welcome to part 2 of a moving vlog. We haven't slept the night in the house yet. Tonight should be the first night, should be, hopefully, as long as the bed gets in there okay. It's 10 o'clock. Simon has been loading up the van in Bridlington from about 8. I think he's just about nearly done, but I'm going to go to Morrison's with my family to get some food, some sort of staples to go into our new fridge, and I've just been trying to pack really. I have emptied out, let me show you, I've emptied out all the, we have a load of all the drawers basically, and then we've taken the drawers downstairs, and then the next job is to take the cabinets downstairs. Let me show you. We're going to take these down next, but everything is pretty messy right now and I'm really scared about losing things. I just have so much stuff. I've lived here my whole life, so 29 years of accumulating all this sort of like souvenirs. I found my brownie sash, I found so much stuff, and like old teddies, and it's things that have such sentimental value, but I don't need to see them really. They just need to go in a loft, I think. I've put a few things in the charity bag already, but yeah, it's going to be really hard getting all these downstairs, getting them into the van, then moving everything from the van into the house. My brother's going to come over and help, and yeah, so it's a big day. Big day. I've got a load of bags and boxes in here in my brother's old room, and also the front room is full of all my stuff as well. This box is full of Dumbos and these are all the drawers from the cabinets upstairs. We've got chairs, we've got mirrors, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff. I've got suitcase here, and the thing is, even though I've got all these bags and boxes, this isn't even half of it. My room is still, I've only emptied the drawers of my room is still full of my stuff. I haven't even looked in my wardrobes, and yeah, this is gonna take a lot longer than a day. I think we're just gonna try and get everything in the house that we need for the week, and then at least we've got another weekend to sort through boxes and bags and stuff. But yeah, this is how it's going right now. But we're off to Morrison's now to get some food, and I'm really excited because this is what I've done my whole life. Every Saturday, me, my mum and my dad would go into Morrison's, or it was Safeway. Every Saturday we'd get the weekly shop, and it's really cool now that that's what I'm going to do now and what we'll be doing for the rest of our lives. So we've been to Morrison's, and now we're in the kitchen trying to find home for places, and we just found the perfect place for my cereal and juice down here in this cupboard. Look, it's like perfectly sized for my cereal and my juice. So let's get the milk for the fridge. I got some cherry coke as well. This is so good, isn't it? And there we go. Christened it. Shells and one tin of soup. Morrison's trip went well. We've got a fridge now. Some things are in the freezer. Mum and Dad have just bought these lovely flowers and card. We've moved the mat to go over here, and then we have got a really special mat I'll show you now to go at the front. So we bought this in Morrison's for outside, and then we've got this. Are you ready? Look at that! How cute is that? I know. Right, building our next set of drawers.
There they are. Oh, look at all of those. Oh my god.
We've got Mum in here washing all the Disney mugs, and she's putting them all up here. I've got so many, haven't I? Oh, look at them all.
Oh, do you remember Chip?
Yeah, he looks lovely.
Oh, and this one, do you remember this one with the
that's good.
They're gorgeous.
We're going to have to find a nice place for all these.
Oh, you need shelves.
Yeah, definitely. So this is the second one now. The first one is already in here, and Simon has just arrived, so we're going to empty the van out now to put it all in here.
Right, where do you want me?
So we've officially made a mess of our lovely new lounge. So we've put all the bags and boxes in here, and then we're gonna go back to my mum and dad's to get all my stuff. This is just Simon's stuff, so we're gonna get my stuff then. You okay, Mouse? We're gonna build the bed next. That's the next job. Dad's still working hard, aren't you, Dad?
Yes, right.
So we've got these two ready for the desk, and now we're just gonna build the bed, which is in here. Got all the slats ready to build, so that is the next job. We did make one little mistake. So the bedside cabinets that we bought were the tall ones with 3 drawers, and we meant to get the short ones with 2 drawers because obviously it's bedside cabinet. We got the wrong ones, so we're going to build a bed, see if it looks silly because obviously it's taller. So we're going to see what it looks like. Hopefully it'll look okay because we're going to have to take it back otherwise, and yeah. So we're going to see what it looks like, and then we'll decide whether or not to build it. Do you like our new house? Do you? What's your favourite bit of the new house?
Ringing the doorbell.
Ringing the doorbell. You're funny.
Okay, clap.
We're making the bed. About to have a little break. We're gonna have some ice cream that I bought in Morrison's. My dad is out in the garden trying to cut my desk, and then we have been doing the bed, Simon and I upstairs, and it's time, guys, for Mountain Dew. My parents brought this home from America a few weeks ago, and I've been saving it for movie weekend because I knew it was going to be hot. So now that this van is empty and Simon's stuff is all in our new house, we're going back to my parents' house to get all of my stuff to put in the van to put into our house, if that makes sense. So yeah, once everything's in, we've got a lot to sort out. Right, time to get all this into the van then. Right, we're back in our house now and we've got all this to unpack. Lovely. Look what my dad has made. Wow, it's so good. How good is that? And then we're going to put 2 bookcases up here.
Yeah, that'd be great.
What a lovely little study we've got. I can't get over what an amazing job my dad's done on this desk. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it so much, and he did it so quickly, and he's just amazing. Thank you, Daddy. We've got all these drawers, and we're just a mess in this spare bedroom at the moment, but we're going to build the cupboards and the drawers and build the bed eventually, but I think we might be done for tonight. It's been a long day. We're pretty knackered. Did I show you the bed? The bed's done now. So we're just going to get some, it's not made properly obviously, we're just going to get some side tables sorted, and we've just put a few touches in here, like a little bin, and we've got a little bath mat. But yeah, slowly getting there. It's been really tiring going back and forth from the van. I've still got some things left at my mum and dad's for work tomorrow. Everything I've got, makeup, shampoo, all that is still at mum and dad's, so I'm going to go over get all that, and then that's the last bag then to bring back over in my car, so that I've got the car here for work tomorrow. So we're making lasagna and garlic bread for din-dins. We're using the oven for the first time. Look at these. Here it is, our first meal in our new house, lasagna and garlic bread. So I think that's pretty much everything for moving day 2. There might be a few bits and pieces that we're going to sort out tonight, but I probably won't vlog that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye!